just going through something right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am Adiah. So I'm on my way to the bank right now. This is like the only sane angle in my room because my room is so scattered. My ATM card expires next month, so I just want to go get a new one now. When I get back, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of everything currently happening, what I'm up to, vlog type style. So yeah, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification, like my video, share my video, and leave a positive comment in the comment section below. Currently like 9:26. I want to be amongst the first people so that I can go and come back because I have things to do. Let's get going. Bank, how much? Hey guys, welcome back to not another video. I said filming yesterday, my bad. Okay, so there's something I want to talk to you guys about. I can't go into details. I don't know how the sun is looking, honestly. I wouldn't say I'm not at liberty to share. I just can't share it right now. But you guys should pray for me. That sounds so like I'm just going through something right now, and I would appreciate if you said a prayer for me. I will do a full-on story time when I have more perspective on the situation. So right now I'm packing. The reason I went to the bank yesterday, I'm traveling and my ATM card is expiring next month. So I wanted to like get a new one before I travel, so I wouldn't have to go through the hassle of going to get a new one when I travel. But Fidelity Bank, after keeping me for past 9, past 10, past 11, past 12, past 1, past 2, they kept me there for close to 5-6 hours, only for them to tell me that they don't have the ATM activation machine. Now talking about the trip, so tomorrow is Saturday and my dad and I are traveling to Peru tomorrow. My dad has a retreat. Now from Peru I'm going to Lagos, so I'm packing my stuff now. I have this pack. We're going to be traveling tomorrow. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and my flight is by 11. Honestly, just ignore whatever you are seeing in the background. Outfit. Yeah, that's my outfit. Huh? What's wrong with it? Sorry. Love you, miss you, besides stay cold, really. We love you, baby. That's the wrong one. So from fun to sing me, go home. You're on the way, go from home. Go for a fast, go stay with you. Go for the first time, you know you want to sing. Oh yeah, leave me, please. Okay, so.
emergency evacuate evacuate. Once you hear this instruction,
One off.
make sure the emergency complete stop. Important to the beginning of the process, so that you can